Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. I'm Tony and this is my channel, Homeowner Repair. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to take the headlights out of a 2001 Ford Ranger. This should be the same from a 2001 all the way up into a 2011. And I'll show you a couple of tricks along the way that some of the other videos out there on the internet have left out. And I'll make it a lot easier on you. But before I roll into that, remember, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Got a lot of great content coming out. And if you have a question, make sure you leave a comment and we will reply back to you. Let's get rolling into this. Alright, so what you want to do when you're taking the headlight out is you're going to want to remove these two bolts right here. They're 7/32. You're going to need a 7/32 socket. And if you have like a ratchet, just throw one on the ratchet. I'm going to use my cordless drill right here to kind of make it faster. I'll take it off in 1 second. If you don't take this plastic trim off, if you remove the headlight, you can break this piece of plastic. It can get pretty brittle over the years, so you don't want to risk doing that. So I'm going to tell you to remove it. And other than that, it's a pretty simple process. This will come right off, just like that. And then to remove the headlight, there's two slides behind it. So you're going to pull up on this slide, and there's a tab over here. You're going to pull up on that tab. Now, one thing to be careful of is if you pull these tabs too far up, the headlight won't come out because it'll catch on these tabs. If that is the case, push them down a little bit, and the headlight should fall right out just like that for you. I don't want to have you guys make any rookie mistakes. So you pull this right out like that. So if you need to change the headlight, you're going to have to remove the turn signal bulb and the main beam. So to remove the turn signal bulb, there are two tabs. There's one on the bottom and there's one on the top right here. So to remove the turn signal bulb, there are a couple tabs. There's one on the bottom right here and one on the top. You got to be careful. You want to lift up on them. They can be brittle because at this point in the game these lights are kind of old. And it should come off just like that. Then on the main beam, this collar right here, you want to twist it. You can wiggle the headlight bulb out of it. Just like that. And now your headlight assembly is free. So you can see one of the holes right down there. There's another one near the top. And there's one on the other side to line up. So you're going to line those up and push the headlight assembly back in. So you have them lined up. I'll line my top one up right there. That should go right back into place for you. And then the locking tabs, you're going to slide those down. This on that side. And push this in. Lock down on that side. Now we're back in business. So now that you've done that, put that trim piece back on. You're going to line it up. Grab the screws you took out. That's back together. So that's pretty much it. It's pretty easy to do on this truck. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like I said, if you have any comments or question, leave a comment and I'll reply back to you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again next time.